More than your basic potato, root vegetables add texture, flavor, and color to meals. Starting today, we can get creative in the kitchen and take advantage of these winter vegetables. The vitamin A and beta-carotene content in orange carrots aid in eye health and night vision. Meal plans that include carrots have been connected to reducing heart disease. Their additional nutrients like vitamin C, K, and potassium make carrots a vegetable star. Try them glazed with honey, the result is delicious. Don't let celery root's appearance scare you away. It's full of nutrition with fiber, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Use in place of celery and is an alternative to potatoes. Show off your culinary skills and feature it in a cheesy gratin. It may look like a white carrot to the untrained eye, but parsnip is its own distinct jewel of the vegetable world. With an earthy, peppery flavor, it provides fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Roast in the oven with maple syrup. It's sure to become a new favorite. The deep purple color of beets comes from their protective plant compounds, which have been studied for cancer prevention, reducing risk for heart disease, and more. Their high folate content makes them a wonderful addition for women of childbearing age. Cook and slice them, then add to a leafy green salad to add vibrant color to mealtime. As you can see, it's easy to delve into the world of root vegetables, and with these versatile roots, you gain delicious flavor and powerful nutrient punch. For these recipes and more, visit bigY.com/digin. See you next time!